Hello students, I welcome you all to this video tutorial. This video will help you in solving your problems regarding subject registration. Firstly, logging to your Saksham portal. Here, the main tab is Students Corner. The two important sub-tabs for your subject registration are Update Profile and Subject Registration tabs. If you click directly on subject registration, you will get a pop-up message that please update your subject's eligibility through Update Profile tab before proceeding for subject registration. Therefore, you all are required to update your profile first and then start with subject registration. So if you click on Proceed to Update Profile, you will be redirected to this page. This is very important for you to fill all this information, that is prerequisite for WAC, SEC, AEC and GE subjects. In the Update Profile tab, you have to fill certain information and upload proofs. You can't proceed ahead without uploading the proof. Till which class you have studied Hindi. This information will be used for allotting you the AEC Indian language based on your acquaintance with the language. If you have studied Hindi till class 12th, please upload your 12th mark sheet and you will be allotted Hindi A. If you have studied Hindi till class 10th, please upload your 10th mark sheet and you will be allotted Hindi B. If you have studied Hindi till class 8th or below, upload a proof. If not available, upload 10th mark sheet and you will be allotted Hindi C. If you are a foreign student and have never studied Hindi before, please select foreign student option and upload your 10th mark sheet. Please note, AEC is having two courses and they are supposed to be studied in flip mode. Students of BCom Honors and BCom program will study Environmental Science Theory into Practice 1 as their compulsory AEC. The students of BSc Honors Mathematics, BA Honors Economics, BA Honors English, BA Honors Geography, BA Honors Hindi, BA Honors History, BA Honors Political Science, and BA program will be studying Indian language. Our college offers only Hindi as an AEC Indian language. In case you opt for an AEC Indian language not offered by SHAHEED Bhagat Singh College, you will have to attend classes in any other college belonging to the Cluster Colleges South Campus of the University of Delhi. The fulfillment of your choice depends upon the terms and conditions set by the host college. So once I am okay with this information and I upload certain proof, then I may be able to continue with this. So I upload the proof and this file is uploaded successfully. I will tick on this disclaimer that the details provided are true to the best of my knowledge and will click on Save Details. Again, the disclaimer will be available to me. The details are updated, are true to the best of my knowledge. Tick on it again and confirm. Once you are done with this, you may proceed with subject registration. So, in the subject registration tab, the first thing that you all are expected to do is to go through the guidelines very carefully. You will be able to see AEC, SEC, WAC, and GE guidelines on your portal. Before that, an ERP message will be there. That is, you can update your subject choices 5 times. After that, no changes are allowed. So please be very careful while choosing your preferences. Once you read these guidelines carefully, tick on the disclaimer that I have read and understood the guidelines and then move ahead and click on continue. Once you proceed ahead, you will be able to see different categories of subjects like GE, SEC, AEC, and WAC. Please give your preferences for each course and go through the syllabus of each of them before making any decisions. The syllabus are attached here. Similarly, the syllabus are there for VACs, AECs, and SECs also. Give your preferences. Like for example, in SEC, you are having 9 subjects offered by different departments. Give your preferences from 1 to 9. And once you are done, click on this disclaimer that the selection provided by me are made after understanding the guidelines provided above. I am repeating again, do read the guidelines carefully, which is reflected on your portal just before you start with subject registration. Once you tick on this disclaimer, click on save. Again, they will ask you that are you sure with your selection? So the final selection of your subjects are shown here. If you are satisfied with the preferences you have made, please click on save option and click on yes. Please just consider it that for first year students, only GE is relevant. So click on this option and give your preferences. I hope this video was helpful for you in case of your subject registration. For any other queries, you may write in the comments of the video. Thank you so much.